In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use the Cadimage reinforcing starter. I'll select this detail element from the 9 reinforcing folder and place it in the project. Now I'll zoom in and select the detail element. As soon as I select the detail element, a bunch of hotspots appear with some extra symbols that we call editing aids. In earlier versions of the tool, you had to use the Cadimage menu to turn these editing aids on and off. Now the editing aids appear as soon as you select the reinforcing bar. Now that I can see the editing aids, I can start editing the detail element. The hotspot at the end of each straight section allows me to adjust the length of that section. I can stretch the straight section from either end. The hotspots at the end of the angle symbol are used to adjust the bend angle. The cool thing about bending the angle is that if you bend it right back to 180 degrees, the bar snaps off. Let's look at that again. I'll snap off the top 2 sections of the reinforcing bar. Let me just rewind to where we started, and we'll look at that again. If I want to snap off the lower sections, I bend the lower sections back through 180 degrees. Now I'll go ahead and use these techniques to draw up a starter for use in a narrow concrete footing. So this means you can easily remove any number of edges. Snap off the end section, I'll stretch the reinforcing bar back and stretch the end section up. Now to form the U at the bottom, I need to pull the center points together. This is a new technique, but it works much the same as stretching the end points. Depending on the direction in which you stretch the hotspot, one or other section will stretch. I can stretch either that leg or that leg using the same hotspot. Let's look at another technique I haven't shown you before. First, I'll snap off the top end of the reinforcing bar. To add a new straight section to the bar, use the hotspot near the end of the bar to fold out a section. The new section has the same length as the one from which it was created. So I'll carry on and stretch the bar back. Bend it up, fold out a new section, and extend the base down. Now I've modeled the starter. I'll go ahead and save it for future use. I'll open the Custom Settings dialog and hit the Save button. Type in a name and save the preset. Now I'll go ahead and model a second type of starter. And I'll save that as a preset also. So now, when I want to use one of those starters in the future, I can simply select it from the list of presets.